Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We are out in Charlotte, North Carolina today at the Carolina BBQ Festival. We got quite the crowd out here, sponsoring my man Smoke Pickle Barbecue, and we are showing off our TMG Pits. Up first here, we got my man Garrett's custom 48-inch Santa Maria grill. We built him. Now this, as you can see, is not your standard Santa Maria grill, all right? We have got the burn box on the side of it. It is on our off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires. Now Garrett actually has a Fridge 48 from us as well. We matched the wheels and tires to that. See, we got a gator going on our Santa Maria grill, a couple tomahawks hanging off the top. But that's not it, folks. We also have our forge out here. This is one of our newest products here, the forge. We got on our caster basin here. This thing, small package, but very capable. All right, we got some steaks going up top here. We got our rotisserie attachment set on here with some chickens going, some sausages on our skewers here. So very cool setup, something that's not huge, guys, but still do a lot of different stuff with. That's the setup here today at the Carolina BBQ Festival. We also have Dojo Barbecue's 250-gallon offset smoker on the off-road package. All right, we're about to ship this bad boy up to California to them. Say, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.